J Pigs, you know what it is. Still in this Houston, Texas. Just left the Rockets versus OKC game. Finna hop in the whip, finna pop outside tonight, but I got a little POV. Got about a 20-minute drive to hit the first spot for the night. We're gonna see what's popping. Yeah, man, the game tonight was not the most exciting game. Everybody was broke, and OKC just showed why they're the defending champs, playing all that defense, locking up the Rockets. The OKC wasn't shooting that well either, but how much Shea had? Shea had like 20. KD, I don't even think he had 20. Maybe he had 20. Lucky. 19 or some shit. There was a lot of defense being played, and it was a blowout, Oklahoma City. But tomorrow we got another game. We're gonna do the same thing. Got some sweet action. We're gonna go watch the Timberwolves, and hopefully Anthony Edwards can put on a show. Because I want to see something, man. I want to see KD or somebody go the fuck off. So yeah, one thing about Houston, everything is far as fuck. Definitely a bigger city. You got your outskirts and shit. Everything is like 25 minutes, 30 minutes away. What does that say? CLA 45? I don't even know if that's a real MG. I feel like Mercedes be making so many cars and they stamp it with an AMG model. BMW, they got the M lights, but they don't be putting the real M badge on it unless it's the actual M. AMG, they put that on everything, I feel like. But I mean, shit, I drove a fucking, what was it, a C43 AMG 2024. It's numbers, man. It's fucking statistics. They want to put these high horsepower, fast cars, but they just don't give you that feeling. The quality isn't there. It feels like cheap shit. Still with a high price tag. That's why I like older cars. But hey, man, I can't complain. Right now, I'm in that 2026 M3 competition. And it's nice, it's nice. I don't have many complaints. Once you get used to driving this shit, you're like, okay. See what the hype is about. Oh, shit. Let's see if we can get some action, man, hopping on that highway. If they got a Charger over there, I don't know if that's a Scat or what. Maybe a RT. That thing in M1. So I got my modes fixed this time. So I had the transmission in S3. So what I've learned, if it's in S, that's manual shift. So you got to shift it on your own. If it's in D, it'll automatically shift, which is helpful to know. So I got it in D3 on the M1 mode. So that's most aggressive, fastest shift. I don't think he's on shit in that CLA. Everybody drive faster here in Texas. That's what I like to see. Trouble quick in this car. Gotta be paying attention. Always on the lookout for cops. When you're in unfamiliar territory, you gotta be overly cautious. So I can't just be smashing. I think this is that fucking, that one highway. This shit bouncy as hell. Like this shit, for whatever reason, this shit's uneven. This shit be bouncing. So you can't really, you're trying to smash on this fucking shit. God damn, bro, this shit be bouncing like a fucking, like you on the sea. Fucking ocean. Garbage. Oh shit, fucking Lambo and Aston Martin. I gotta catch them, and it's police right there. I gotta catch them, bro. Come on, this is perfect content. Oh, we gotta line this bitch up. Damn. What's going on, guys? I'm on the POV vlog. Let me get y'all Instagram real quick. Let me take a photo. Fuck. Yeah, my bad. Aventador, that shit is crazy. That shit is different for sure. Damn, I don't know if this shit gonna let me take fucking video and shit. I mean, it's on my camera, but fuck. Catch them at a light and shit. Damn, he's over there on the other side. Fuck, it's probably on my fucking, it's gonna be on my vlog camera. I'm gonna have to catch that shit later. But, yeah. Damn, bro. That's the shit right here. Fancy. Well, fuck it. Park somewhere. They got the fucking LC 500, the vet over there. Valet only. Might be able to park over here. Men's warehouse parking. Oh shit, where can you park at? Over here. Maybe on the street. I don't want to fucking park nowhere I'm not supposed to. What's going on? Shit. I got the POV, man. Fuck it, I'm in this parking lot and shit. This shit right across the street from the hotel, too. This shit empty as fuck. I gotta hit a donut in this bitch. Oh my god, this shit crazy. What the fuck? Security. So much power, bro. This shit just spin the tires up quick. Get a lot of trouble. I see how motherfuckers be wrecking these bitches. Just not knowing how to drive and too much throttle. This is my goddamn hotel right here though.